Hello everybody, this is a review of the notebook Lenovo B50-70. This is the model name. You can see it. This notebook has the 4 GB of RAM. Type of the RAM is DDR3 Sodium RAM PC3, and it can be upgradable up to 8 GB of RAM, 4 into the second slot. And you can see here the BIOS CMOS battery, Wi-Fi module, Wi-Fi card, small size, and M2, and heatsink of CPU and AMD graphic adapter. And here default was the hard drive SIN type, SIN HDD Seagate of 500 GB, and it was replaced to new one SSD drive of ADATA SU650 SATA drive. And this is this notebook. Thank you.